Find a comfortable place to sit or stand. If you can, gently open a window, or simply imagine fresh air flowing into your space. Let the light shift even slightly. Take a slow breath in and a longer breath out. Again, breathe in clarity and exhale what feels heavy. Let this moment mark a quiet beginning. Affirm softly, I allow fresh energy to enter my space and my life. With each breath, I create room for calm. There is a quiet wisdom in beginning small. Let everything else wait. This moment is where your reset begins. Notice the air around you. The stillness, the movement, the subtle shift. Imagine this space gently waking up with you. Not rushed, not forced, just open. If there's light, let it touch your face. If there's breeze, let it brush past you. You are gently connected to everything around you. Part of this space, just as it is part of you. Affirm, I welcome light, clarity, and ease into this space. This space supports me, and I support it. Sometimes, the smallest opening creates the biggest shift within. Now, gently bring your attention to one small surface. A desk, a bedside table, or any space nearby. In your mind, imagine clearing or decluttering this surface. Pick up one item at a time. Move it with intention. Let this be simple, almost meditative. As you clear, notice how your mind responds. A little quieter, a little lighter. Affirm, as I clear this space, I clear my mind. I release what I no longer need. Clutter is not just physical. It's often postponed decisions or stagnant energy. Right now, you are choosing clarity. Continue gently. wiping, arranging, or simply creating space. Let it be enough, not perfect. Even a small, cleared corner can become a place of peace. Pause for a moment and look at what you've created. Feel the difference. Affirm, I create space for peace, one small step at a time. Order outside supports calm within. There is wisdom in this act. When you bring order to your surroundings, you remind your mind that calm is possible. Now take a journal or simply pause and reflect. Ask yourself gently, what truly matters this week? Not everything, just 3 things. Let them come without pressure. Write them down slowly or repeat them in your mind. Simple, clear, kind. Affirm, I choose clarity over overwhelm. I focus on what truly matters. You don't need to do everything. You only need to honor what matters most. Now look at your 3 priorities again. Instead of asking what you must do, ask, how do I want to feel while doing them? Calm, focused, steady, present. Let that feeling become your guide. Affirm, I move through my week with intention and ease. I trust myself to handle what comes. A clear mind is not an empty one. It is one that knows where to rest its attention. And today, you've chosen that. Now, gently bring awareness back to your body. Roll your shoulders slowly. Stretch your arms or simply sit taller. Take a deep breath in and release it slowly. Again, inhale calm. Exhale tension. Let your body soften without effort. Affirm, my body is supported, my breath is steady. I return to myself with ease. The body holds what the mind carries. And with each breath, you let it go. Now sit quietly for a moment. Notice your space, your mind, your breath. Clean space, clear mind, calm heart. Let these not be goals, but gentle states you return to. Finally affirm, I begin this week grounded, clear, and calm. I carry this sense of peace with me. And remember, reset doesn't require effort, just a moment of intention. When you're ready, slowly return, carrying this quiet clarity with you.